Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to today's maths class. In today's class, let us start a new concept, measurement of capacity. Comparing capacities. This bucket is filled with water. This mug is filled with water. The bucket holds more water than the mug. The mug holds less water than the bucket. The words more and less tells us about the quantity of water in these containers. The quantity of water or liquid a container can hold is called its capacity. As I told you, the capacity of a container is a measure of the amount of liquid it can hold. Some standard units commonly used for measuring capacity are milliliter and liter. Small quantities have capacity in milliliters and large quantities have capacity in liters. We use containers of standard capacity to measure the capacity of a given container. To find the capacity of a container, we compare its capacity with that of a container of standard capacity. Liter. Liquids like water, milk and oil are usually measured using measuring cans. The unit of capacity is liter. We write small l for liter. So here you can see this water tank holds 500 liters of water. This milk can holds 50 liter of milk. This water can holds 20 liter of water. Next, a bucket is filled with water. It can hold 25 liters. So next, a water bottle which can hold 1 liter of water. Milliliter. Milliliter is the unit for measuring smaller amounts. We write ml for milliliter. A milliliter is a smaller measure than a liter. Here you can see a spoon filled with water, so it can hold only 5 ml of water in it. Next is a juice bottle which can hold 250 ml of juice. Next, a water bottle which can hold 500 milliliter of water. Conversion of units of capacity, you know it very well. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now, for example, you have to convert 3 liter to milliliters. So, as you know, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 5 liter is equal to, you have to multiply 1000 into 5. You get 5000 milliliter. Moving on to next example, convert 7 liter to milliliter. So, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So, 7 liters is equal to 7 into 1000 gives you 7000 milliliters. Yes children, now turn to page number 139 in New Guided Mathematics textbook. It is exercise 8.5. Read the question. Number the following from 1 to 6. Starting with the one which holds the least and ending with the one which holds the most. So, as you know, a milliliter is a smaller measure than a liter. Liter is used to measure larger quantities of liquid. Shall we start? Yeah. 1 is given to spoon because it holds very less water. Next, you have to number 2. Next, 3, 4, already 5 is marked. So, 6. Second question, the capacity of an ink pot would be measured in is, it can hold very smaller quantity. So, it is measured in ml. So, write down ml in the blank. A big bucket would be measured in, yeah, it holds more water. So, you have to mark liter and write down liter in the blank, L in the blank. A spoon would be measured in, yeah, it holds very less. So, mark ml and write down ml in the blank. Third one. So, here you can see a bucket which has a capacity of 1 liter. Next, you can see 4 mugs, each having capacity of 250 ml. Read the question. One liter bucket can fill 4 cups of, it can fill around 250 ml each. So in the blank you have to write 250 ml. Yes children, now turn to the next page. It is page number 141. It is exercise 8.6. Now let us first learn how to add capacity. So read the question, add and also write the unit. First sum, 62 liters plus 42 liters. So I have written liter. I am starting to add from ones place. 2 plus 2 gives you 4. 6 plus 2 it is 10. So the sum is 104 liters. Next sum, 215 milliliter should be added with 383 milliliter. 5 plus 3 it is 8. 8 plus 1 it is 9. 3 plus 2 it is 5. So the sum is 598 milliliter. Next sum, 909 milliliter should be added with 81 milliliters. 9 plus 1 gives you 10. Write down 0, carry 1. 8 plus 1 it is 9. So there is no number to add. Write down 9 as such. So the answer is 990 milliliter. Next sum you are doing it as homework. Next E. 508 liter and 613 milliliter should be added with 102 liter and 108 milliliter. Shall we start? Yeah, already units I have written. 8 plus 3 it is 11. Write down 1 and carry 1. The next number, 1 plus 1 it is 2. 6 plus 1 it is 7. Next we have to add liters together. 8 plus 2 it is 10. 0, carry 1 to the next number. So what you get, 0 plus 1, you get 1 as the answer. 5 plus 1 it is 6. So the answer is 610 liter and 721 milliliter. Next one, 55 liter and 436 milliliter should be added with 32 liter 148 milliliter. Shall we? 8 plus 6 gives you 14. So you have to carry 1. 4 plus 3 it is 7. 7 plus 1 it is 8. 4 plus 1 it is 5. So it is 584 milliliter. Now we have to add liters together. So 5 plus 2 it is 7. 5 plus 3 it is 8. So the answer is 87 liter 584 milliliter. D and G you are doing it as homework. You have to mark HW and complete it. Now let us learn how to subtract capacity. Subtract and also write the unit. Take away 60 liter from 92 liters. So 2 minus 0 will give you 2. 6 minus 2 it is 3. So the difference is 32 liters. Next one. Take away 247 milliliter from 749 milliliter. 9 minus 7 gives you 2. 4 minus 4 it is 0. 7 minus 2 it is 5. 502 milliliters. Next one. Take away 255 milliliter from 387 milliliter. Already I have marked the units. 5 minus 7 it is 2. 8 minus 5 it is 3. 3 minus 2 it is 1. So the answer is 132 milliliter. D you are doing it as homework. E. 821 liter and 773 milliliter minus 608 liter 286 milliliter. Shall we start? Yes. From 3 can you take away 6? No. Borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6. So here it becomes 13. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it is 8. 6. Leave 6 fingers and take away 8. Is it possible? No. What you have to do? Go borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6 and it is giving 1. It becomes 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, it is 8. So 6 minus 2 it is 4. So it is 487 milliliter. Moving on to liters. From 1 can you take away 8? No. Borrow from 2. 2 becomes 1 and it is giving 1. It becomes 11. After 8, 9, 10, 11. Write down 3. 1 minus 0 it is 1, 8 minus 6 it is 2. F and G you are doing it as homework. Word problems. Read the question. If 75 ml of syrup is taken out from a bottle containing 354 milliliter of syrup, how much syrup is left in the bottle? So it is very clearly understood from the word left means you have to subtract. Solution. Syrup in the bottle, it is 354 milliliter. Syrup taken out 75 milliliter. So you have to find the syrup remaining. When you subtract from 4, you can't take away 5. Borrow from the other number, that is 5. As it is giving 1 you have to less, then find the answer. You have to copy this sum in your maths classwork as there is no enough space in your maths textbook. Fourth sum. If 58 milliliter of orange squash is mixed with 210 milliliter of cold water, how much cold drink has been prepared? So solution. Orange squash already in a bottle. How much it is? Yeah, it is 210 milliliter. Amount of water added, it is 58 milliliter. So you have to put together, that is you have to add 0 plus 8 gives you 8, 5 plus 1 it is 6, 2 acids. So total amount of cold drink is 268 milliliter. Fifth sum you are doing it as homework. Read the question, understand, you will be able to do it. Here ends today's session. Bye. Take care children. Don't forget to complete your classwork and textbook.